Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is October weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, lovers, maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Nine of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Queen of Cups. So in this reading, I am seeing here mixed emotions. Yeah. So Queen of Cups. First of all, you are very caring and sharing person. You have very strong emotions towards this person. Yes. But uh, right now you want to protect yourself from this energy, especially Nine of Swords. Maybe there are some issues between you and your person. Maybe there is something going in your life which is very nasty, whatever. So Nine of Swords you are going through right now, and the Lovers, but there is love. If there are some disturbances between you and your person, uh, those disturbances are hurting you so much, but at the same time you can't let go of this person. So let's say you're reading recent past, Six of Cups, Two of Cups, and Ace of Swords. It's a mutual love, especially from your side. You love this person a lot. uh, you have very strong emotions. Six of Cups, maybe you both have strong past life connection with each other. Maybe you want clarity. Some clarity is missing in this relationship, what I'm getting here. Maybe you're trying for that clarity, to find that clarity. Then present Page of Swords, Nine of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles. So lot of spying. Maybe they want to communicate with you. Maybe if there are some issues, they want to fix things with you, and you're wishing for this connection, you're praying for this connection. Especially in career wise, there is some wish fulfillment for you, because Taurus, you are focusing on your money here. So your total focus right now is on your abundance, is on your career. Then future Queen of Wands, Page of Cups, and High Priestess. So you're taking your power back here, but someone is approaching with offer. For some it could be a brand new person, and for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. The person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Magician. I think they are manifesting you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Taurus. Maybe for some, family could be the issue here. Maybe family is not supporting uh, your love. Okay, so let's see their intentions. Yeah. So under the deck, Strength. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Six of Swords, Six of Wands, High Priestess. I think you both are spiritually connected with each other. Definitely they want success in this connection. They want to take this relationship to next level. And Six of Swords, yeah, they want to fix things with you. Maybe lots of you are in long distance relationship, maybe living in different cities, countries, or states. And Strength, maybe you are dealing with Leo here. And your person is also very independent and powerful person. So let's see the current feelings. Three of Pentacles, Hangman, and Five of Wands. I think in your person mind there is a lot of inner conflict is going right now. They are stuck on you. and there is some spiritual awakening is also going here. Maybe for some there is some competition, especially you have some options. There is some competition and drama is going, but they're thinking about three of pentacles with you. So they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer partnership. Then their intentions, king of cups, page of cups, and justice. So they want second chances. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, and they're ready to do that because king of cups. So they have strong emotions towards you, and page of cups. Yeah. If they did hurt you, they want to say apology to you. So they want to take this relationship to next level, and they're ready to work on this relationship. A lot of water energy. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially maybe you're dealing with Libra here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Yeah, they want to take action, but after the transformation, maybe right now your person going through some transformation. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo. Again, they want success in this connection, and maybe you're dealing with Pisces here, the moon. Maybe there are some trust issues. Maybe there are some illusions between you and your person, but they want to fix those with you. They want to fix those with you, Taurus. I think in past they left out in cold, so that's why maybe there is no partnership, there is no collaboration. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Yeah, maybe there are some issues. That's why maybe you are giving your energy and time only to yourself because they treated you as an option. Maybe they ghosted you in recent past. Yeah, there is some decision making. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. In past they left out in you in a cold. Yeah, you are guarded up and they are waiting for right time to approach you, and they want some positive growth in this relationship, and they still love you. I think you also love this person, but in a detached way. You are loving this person from a distance because they did hurt you in so many times, so you don't want to hurt again. Yes, because there is no equal give and take, but now they're ready to offer equal give and take, but you are taking your power back here. So Taurus, it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and for the channel. Religious factors, maybe religious factors affecting your love life here. Decision time, retreat. So retreat, decision time, and religious factors are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. A personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. So right now you're going through some personal issues. So there will be some solution for you, and hold your vision, fixed moon. So for some, those who want to manifest something big into your life, just hold your vision, or you want to achieve something in your life, hold your vision. And under the deck, take time to breathe out. So if you're doing a lot of work consistently without taking any break, so this is the message for you. It's time to take a break. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.